Cake time, guys. So I have about 1.5 cups of milk here. Any milk that you have is fine. I actually have kind of a mix of whole and fat-free, so that's what I have. So that's what I'm using. And then we're gonna add about a couple of tablespoons of butter into our milk. And then I'm just gonna put some salt and pepper. Half a teaspoon of each. And then we're gonna put this in the microwave and heat it up. And let's try 1.5 minutes on high. See where that gets us. You always want to be careful when you're heating up milk or like cream in the microwave, because it can overflow very easily, kind of like oat milk does. Milk's done. I actually ended up putting it in there for about 3 minutes. Okay, but better safe than sorry. Alright, so there we go. That's our milk. The butter's all melted. It's perfect. So remember that garlic we cut up earlier? I'm going to put that right in to the milk, and the heat from the milk is going to release the oils in the garlic, bring out all the flavor. So I'm actually going to use my potato masher here and mash them up. Alright, now we're going to add our milk and butter mixture with the garlic. Actually, I'm going to add about half of it. Give it a mush. It smells good. I can smell that garlic. Yum. Okay, now I'm going to add the rest of it now that we've got it mixed in enough. And it looks super creamy. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some more parsley flakes, and this is mainly for aesthetics reason, aesthetically pleasing. So I have a 9x13 pan here, approximately, and I'm just going to spray it with some cooking spray. Don't want anything to stick. Perfect. All right, we're going to put the meat in first. So, it's heavy. Okay, and I'm just going to spread it out. Smells amazing. Looks amazing. Right. Then our lovely potatoes go on top. Okay. So I just kind of put it in dollops. Spread it out. Lastly, cheese, glorious cheese. And this is just a cheese blend. It's like cheddar, Monterey Jack, you know, whatever you have. I'm gonna put some cheese on top. I go about maybe a cup or so. This is a lot of shepherd's pie, so. Butter. So yeah. I'm gonna say 15 minutes, maybe even 10 minutes. I guess it depends on if your oven runs hot or cold. And it is. I turned on the broiler. Oh, nice and cheesy. Yum, yum. All good. And look at that. Meat. And potatoes, and some veggies, a little bit of veggies. Super hot though. Yeah. So good. Oh my gosh, one of my favorite meals to make. All right, so now we're gonna package this up so you'll have it all week long.